Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word prototype. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company is currently working on developing a prototype of their new product before it goes into production. A prototype is a preliminary model or version of a new product that is used for testing and evaluation before it is finalized for production. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.